Have you ever wanted to grow your own herbs at home? Imagine the joy of tending to your own garden, having fresh herbs at your fingertips, and saving money in the process. The journey starts with store-bought seedlings. If you answered yes, then this video is perfect for you. First things first, you need to decide which herbs you want to grow. From fragrant basil to zesty cilantro, there's a world of options. Consider your local climate, available space, and your favorite recipes. Remember, pick herbs that you'll enjoy growing and using in your kitchen. Once you've picked your herbs, it's time to get planting. The first step is preparing the pot. Fill it with good quality potting soil, leaving some space at the top. Nestle your seedlings in, ensuring the roots are fully covered. Water them gently but thoroughly, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Finally, place your potted herbs in a sunny spot. Remember, herbs love the sun, so a bright, warm location is key. With the right care, you'll see your herbs thriving in no time. Growing herbs doesn't end at planting. They require ongoing care. It's paramount to keep them hydrated but not waterlogged, basking in sunlight but not scorched. A sprinkle of fertilizer now and then can work wonders too. When it comes to harvesting, remember, don't be shy. Cutting them back regularly encourages new growth and fuller plants. Pinch or clip right above a set of large leaves. With regular care and proper harvesting, your herbs will provide you with fresh flavors for many meals to come. And there you have it, a simple guide to growing your own herbs at home. We've covered choosing the right herbs, planting, caring, and harvesting. It's not just beneficial, it's also enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.